Hey guys, it's Josh. Today I'm going to be demonstrating creating a folder share, testing share access, and working with ntfs permissions. So to get started, we want to go to Start, All Programs, Accessories, and we want to go to Windows Explorer. And in the C drive, we want to make a new folder called Accounting. So we'll just right click on the C drive and go to New and click on Folder. So name that folder Accounting, and inside Accounting we want to make a new rich text document, and we want to name it Budget. So inside Budget we're just going to put some random text and save it. And we want to configure the sharing options for it. So right click on Accounting and go to Properties. And next we want to go to the Sharing tab, click Advanced Sharing, click Continue. And you want to mark the Share This Folder checkbox. We want to change Accounting to Spreadsheets. Click Permissions. And for everyone's special identity, clear all checkboxes in the Allow column. Click Add. And we want to enter in Domain Admins and click OK. With the domain admins highlighted, we only want to allow reads to it. So click Apply and then click OK. We'll click OK and close. So to move on, we're going to cover testing share access. We want to click Start, Administrative Tools, and click Active Directory Users and Computers. And click on Users and right click and click New User. And we just want to make a test user, so we're just going to call it user 1. And click Next. On the passwords page, just going to put in password and clear the checkbox for the user to change the password at next login, and click Finish. And now we want to create a new group, so right click New Group, and we want to name the group just Group 1. Click OK. So now we want to double click user 1, click member of, and we want to click add, and we want to add group 1, user 1 to the group 1 group. So we're going to demonstrate on the next server. So we want to log on to the second server under user 1. So we're going to want to hit Start, go to Network, and a banner should appear at the top. It says Network Discovery is turned off. Network computers and devices are not visible. Click to check. So we want to click that and click on Turn on Network Discovery and File Sharing. And it's going to ask you a user and password. We're going to put in Cantaso /administrator and the password for that account. And there's server 2. So inside server 1 we want to go to Spreadsheets, and we'll get a network error in saying that we cannot access spreadsheets. So we're going to go back to server 1 and browse to the accounting budget file. We're going to try to modify the text in the budget file. So we're going to add something to it. Say so we're going to go back to server 1 and go to network and try to enter the new spreadsheet share. So let's go to server 1, click on spreadsheets, and this is the result. So now we're going to log off of the user 1 account on server 2, and we're going to log back into student 1. So now we're going to try to do that again, logged in as student 1. And now we can open the budget file because we're logged in as student 1. So now we're going to demonstrate working with ntfs permissions. We want to click Start, Accessories, Windows Explorer, and then go to the C drive. Right click the accounting folder that we made and go to Properties. We want to select the security tab and click edit on the change permissions and click add, and we want to select the group 1. We want to go to group 1, click OK. So that adds group 1 to the permissions for accounting. And so we just want to click apply and click OK, and click OK to close that. Now we want to go over to the server 2, and we want to log on as user 1, and we want to open Windows Explorer, start accessories, Windows Explorer, and then browse to the spreadsheet folder. So as you can see, we can't get into the spreadsheets file, so we're going to log off and go back to server 1, and we're going to switch the user on this to user 1. So now we're going to try to modify the budget file in the C drive, logged on as user 1. And it says access was denied, but this computer lets us at least open the budget file. But since we're logged in as user 1, we're allowed to open the budget file. So we're going to close that out, and we're going to switch back to student 1. So we're going to right click accounting and go back to properties, and we're going to go to the sharing tab, and we're going to go to advanced sharing. We're going to go to permissions, and we're going to click add. And we're going to add the group 1 to the sharing permission on accounting, and we're going to assign the allow chain permission for this folder, and click OK, and click OK, and close. So now that we've changed the permissions for the group 1, we can go back to server 2 and log on as user 1, and we're going to try to modify that file one more time. So back to server 1, for the accounting folder, we're going to change some more permissions. On group 1, we want to allow full control. On the domain admin, we want to allow full control. And for domain users, we want to allow full control. So that's as far as the sharing. For NTFS, and for group 1, we want to allow modify. We want to allow read and execute, which is already checked. We want to allow list folder contents, which is already checked. And we want to allow read and write. So click OK. For domain users, we want to allow read and write, list folder contents, and read. And for domain admins, we want to allow full control. So click apply and click OK. And that's it.